Hello everyone. So I figured for today we could work some more with these pockets. I'm going to distress around these. You don't necessarily need to. I just like that look with especially these lighter ones, and it hides that piece that's behind it a little bit, because you can see some of the book page that I use to stiffen it a little bit. But I was thinking about layering them up. I thought that would be a really fun idea. Layering them up a little bit. Bella's having fun with her YouTube time today. I'm hoping to tomorrow night take the girls swimming, which would be a nice little thing to do with the girls on a Friday. I think that would put their moods in a better one. I'm just gonna cut this down a little bit here. There. So now that makes a double pocket for a page. Make it so you can see what I'm doing. There we go. I think that's just really cute. Having them as double pockets, it just adds an added little interest to them. Now I'm wondering if I want these at the bottom. I think I'm going to. There's one. I want to glue this down a little better. There we go. Only got a few minutes, so I'm trying to rush a little bit, but I wanted to make these double pockets with you quick that we started on last week. I wanted to finish them. There we go. No, way too big. Again, I'm just digging in here and seeing what would be cute. That is way too big too. You know, I have this long piece. That would be cute on this one. Her dress matches with this. I really like that. I knew I had another long one that just needs to be used. There we go. Use that one. That one. So, here we go. Yeah, that's how I'm going to do it. We'll glue these down with art glitter glue though. I forgot to distress. So, quickly swiping across here to try getting that distressing done before the stuff is done. And I really should have thought about this first, because now I just want to add a key in there. So, there we go. One of my go-tos. Add a key in. Gives it definitely a different look. Just downgrade some of that white a little bit on both of them. There we go. What I think is funny is these started out as journaling cards and I made them into pockets. There we go. One pocket down. Let's get this next one down. There we go. So we got our 2 pockets done. Or 4 pockets technically, but double pockets done. And I use basically the same idea with both of them. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video of the double pockets, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day or night. I'm sorry I'm kind of short on time, but I kind of want to make more videos for this weekend because I will be leaving town for a short while, and I'm excited to take the kids to go see their Aunt Teresa. Bye.